Hey everyone, welcome back to Reasonable Setups. So on a daily chart on NQ, you can see we still have a daily squeeze, but of course the momentum looks like is getting faded a bit. So today is OPEX, and as I said, we're gonna have another squeeze, which we did. And if I open the 4-hour chart, it is more visible. We made higher highs, higher lows, some liquidity grab from the new week opening gap, and we updated the new all-time high. So very bullish price action. But of course, this August tariff narrative is going to hit soon, and I think I will expect a bit of correction at least in the short term. So on a 12-hour chart as well, you can see that we already have a divergence here, and we are currently losing the momentum to the upside. So back to the 15-minute chart. You can see that this was the Sunday open. We retested here, and basically we never took this liquidity from Sunday open and this minor sell side, which is bullish. But next week I'm expecting some kind of correction, and possibly we can have these sell sides taken at least before another leg up. So for today, we took the pre-market high and reversed. We took the pre-market low, we tested the low and made a lower low, and then of course it's range. Rangy price action, very difficult to navigate as it is, as I said, OPEX Friday. Usually I'm missing these days. I'm not trying to touch anything, but very interesting thing is on the Bitcoin side. So as I said, I am expecting Bitcoin to top at around these levels from 123 to 128 distribution. And you can see on a 3-day chart, we are basically having some divergence too, starting to form up. So on a 1-day chart as well, you can see we are not getting past this 1 ATR level. You can see here we got oversold here, and this divergence is forming up. And as I said, in my opinion, we are heading down from here after the distribution. And then especially if I open the USDT dominance chart on a daily chart, you can see we have this divergence from USDT dominance and Bitcoin. As Bitcoin made a new all-time high, but USDT never made another lower low. We are basically making a higher high right here after this bear flag got broken, and yeah, we can have some consolidation here up and down where the alts and Ethereum can make rounds, which is already started. And after that, I'm sure we are going to have another spike on USDT dominance and obviously a correction on Bitcoin. So my speculation is that the bull market for me will be over below this 110 or 107,000 levels. Below this level, in my opinion, it's over, and this can be distribution levels, and that's it. That's it for Bitcoin for this cycle. And now you can see I marked the current range. So possibly this can be daily inversion as well. We will see. I will expect it to maybe to take this low to retest this daily fair value gap, to have another spike to the upside around 118.5, and then the huge correction, which is inevitable to me for that the leveraging operation before the real move on Ethereum will start. So on the other hand, the Ethereum, look at this parabolic move. Yes, this is the yearly open, and profits are taken. Most of my profits are taken around these levels from 3,300 to 36, and the last portion may be at 4,000 I will make sure to look at the Bitcoin behavior for the last part of the portion profit. Sorry. Yeah, the this range got absolutely broken to the upside, but I will expect some time to have a retest at least at 70% of this range, maybe 2,800, maybe 2,500, and I will absolutely add to my position if we have any correction from here. But yeah, Ethereum is very, very bullish on a daily chart as well. Daily squeeze, we are very overheated, and I will expect some kind of distribution here and to the downside. Well, if this is the top for Bitcoin. On the other hand, let's open the funding rates and the open interest on Bitcoin to see what's going to happen. So basically, we got overheated a bit here, and we currently are having a correction on the funding rates as well. This is a great deleveraging operation. So open interest on Bitcoin is currently at all-time highs, almost 31 billion open interest, and the funding rate is above a bit neutral, so you can expect it to go a bit lower again. Maybe around 30 billion retests possible, and then of course we will see the reaction on that level. So this upward channel is still intact, and yeah, in my opinion, look at these funding rates. It's almost to the neutral level, but yeah, still a room to the downside in my opinion to have. Maybe we can have a retest of 112 level. The overall funding rates, yeah, close to neutral, but not there yet. On the Ethereum side, yeah, very much overheated, a bit above the neutral rate. And yeah, of course, we took this liquidity 3,500. We are above the yearly open, and I will look at yearly open reaction retest 3,340, and possibly to go and retest this 3,000 level, which will be a good entry point in my opinion. So the open interest almost hit the 20 billion, and I will expect it to go and have some correction from here, which will be very healthy in the long term. So yeah, that's pretty much it. As I said, this review is about Bitcoin and Ethereum mainly, and I'm expecting to have some correction in the next 2 weeks maybe, and then Ethereum will have a huge run. I think the real run after we can break this previous all-time high at 48.70. After that, of course, the sky's the limit for Ethereum. So that's pretty much it. The market is overheated a bit, and some kind of short-term correction is a good point. Is a good level for entries. So stay bullish for this market, especially on Ethereum, and not for Bitcoin. And yeah, we will see what's going to happen next. Thanks for attention. Have a good one. Bye.